inconvenience was seen when our guest house owners received show cause notices from Goa State Pollution Control Board. शो कॉज नोटिसी कित्याक धाडल्यो कित्याक खूब जाणांनी रेजिस्टर करूंक ना आनी खूब जाणांक खबरूच नासली की गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाची एनओसी जाय म्हणून टू वेन यू आर ऑपरेटिंग अ स्मॉल गेस्ट हाऊस. इवन people who are having 4 rooms and leasing it out to tourists and foreigners, they require consent to operate from Goa State Pollution Control Board. Consent for air and water, so that water what they are giving is good water for the tourist, and the air which they are breathing over there is good, is fresh. So that consent is required. And because of that, a lot of guest house owners were sent show cause notices that they have not registered. So we are making it little convenient to the guest house owners, to the जे ट्युरिस्टांक दोत्ता धाकटुल्या रुमांनी बसून तांकां हिंगासर येवन ही फॅसिलिटी हिंगासर घेवची. तेणी तेंचे कडेन कितें डॉक्युमेंट्स आसा तेणी हाडचे. वॉट एवर हेल्प इज रिक्वायर्ड दे आर रेडी टू गीव यू. कोणाक जो तर खबर ना कशें कितें फॉर्म भरपाचें ते हिंगा बसता. आमी एडवोकेटूय आमकां ब्रागांजा एडवोकेट ब्रागांजा इज ओवर हियर. दे आर हेल्पिंग अस टू मेक एफिडेविट्स टू नोटराइज देम. And this facility also should be given every year, I feel, till the people know about this. Like awareness should be there to give this facility in Kandolim village panchayat also, Kalangud village panchayat, Arpara Nagwa village panchayat, Morji आणि मांद्रे आरांबोल म्हणजे थिंगासर खूंय पंचायती आहा तेणी तुमी वचोन थिंगा अवेरनेस करचे आनी ही फॅसिलिटी should reach to the people, and all should have the NOCs from Goa State Pollution Control Board, because finally it is being governed by the High Court that there is a lot of underground water pollution which is happening by guest houses, by resorts. So to avoid this, Pollution Control Board certificate is required. They tell you how to put the bacterial plant so that water is treated and put for the garden and all the other things.